what's going on, guys? If you can't tell by like the fucking adventure attire right now, we're doing a bit of a longer ride today. It's currently Father's Day. We are riding back to my father's house. Not a super exciting ride, but I figured I'd throw on the GoPro, bring you guys along, see if there's anything interesting. These really are some pretty nice roads here, guys. Would love the sumo wheels on here. They would feel pretty minty. Honestly, after this road trip, guys, even though this isn't really a road trip, after this day trip, really should probably just get the sumo wheels already. Just fucking get it over with. I mean, let's be real. Nice little road here. It's funny, I have a backpack on. I have this tank bag, the little phone here. Like I said, I look like a little adventure dude. But just ripping wheelies while in this attire is funny, at least to me. I can't even hear myself speak because my music is so loud. Fun. Alright, we got 40 minutes left. These are like all pretty good wheelie roads, honestly. I'm just like praying that there's no cops hiding around here because I'm not familiar with any of these roads, to be honest. Left. I think we're gonna hop on the highway here at some point, but it's like not a bad highway. I think it's like a 60-mile-an-hour highway, so we'll see what happens. Oh, is this guy being nice? Thank you. All right, let's see how many miles we got on this bitch. I can't see, but it is windy today, that is for sure. Guys, this fucking like visor on my helmet just blowing me all over the place. Everyone also say a prayer that I don't lose my fucking license plate. Here you go, just passing people on the 250L. Honda CRV ain't got shit on me. Woo! Plate seems to be doing okay, I guess. Yeah, guys, this is what most of the riders look like. Just highway, construction, boring, windy as all hell. Oh, finally.
Alright,
we're gonna give Dad a little show here quick. How is our little license plate doing? Oh, she's flopping all around. Yeah, guys, we currently are on our way back home. Yeah, we need to fix that thing. Who would have thought the $12.99 Amazon special license plate folding bracket would be trash? Who would have thought? At this point, I might just strap the license plate to like the undertail, like in the back. I don't know, we'll see. We're riding home now, not taking the highway. We did the Google option where you select avoid highways, so I wasn't really trying to ride the highways home, and it's only like 15 minutes quicker to ride the highway, so we're all good. Riding back roads home, just enjoy the scenery. All right, I just passed some bikers, gotta say what's up. Oh, he's wheeling too, let's go. Ready? Let's wheelie for this guy. What's good, dude? I dig the sumo, that's dope. KTM, nice. CRF250. Okay. Yeah, it just got black plastics. yeah, I'm trying. I want to get wheels like this, sumo wheels, but...
Wanna go around the block real quick?
Sure. Yeah. There we go. through the hill. Love it. Let's see what he's got. Woo! Up the hill, up the hill. You always got to practice up the hill. Is that a 450? There we go. Just wheeling. Just on the way home, I love it. There we go. Can't keep up. You're like right there. You're right at balance point. Yeah, it's scary, bro. Yeah, it's so hard to hear him. Cool dude, though. I don't know where he's going. Yeah. That's dope. It's 450, right?
It's a 520.
520. Oh shit. Yeah, this is like the OG like KTM motor. Yeah. That's awesome, dude. All right, well that was cool as fuck. Shout out Justin and Mercedes. Just literally randomly rode with them. Oh my god, this is my dentist. Let's get home. Let's get home, boys. Yeah, guys, these gloves are already getting so much love. The Krispy Kreme gloves. I've run into a bunch of people who are like, yo, those are sick. Like that guy, Justin. He digged them. So, yeah, loving these guys. Definitely attention grabbers. Guys, but there's a random enormous parking lot. And you know what I must do. Woo! You guys can't tell, but this is like a really bumpy parking lot. Well, I don't want to go back to the other side, so we'll just do this. Yeah, guys, we were just cruising on these back roads. Not a ton going on. I think we ran into that Supermoto. That was sick. But yeah, now we just got like 45 minutes left. That kid liked it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a random one, but we ran into some Supermotos, ran into some Triumph Tigers, some Ducati Panigale V4s, you know, the whole mix. But thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you next time. Peace.